Hello, hello, Atomian in Cebu. Are you excited this afternoon? Are you excited to earn in Atomy? Now let's focus on this. We are talking this afternoon about numbers. Numbers that would inspire us to receive an income of Atomy. Yes. Okay, so before I will start, of course, let me introduce myself. I am Jimmy Makababat, a Sharon Rose Master, at the same time, a center leader of Cagayan de Oro Center. Okay, so before I will start with my discussion about marketing plan or compensation plan of Atomy, of course, let me greet our fellow Atomians who are watching us via YouTube and so with Facebook. I hope they are also excited. Okay, so of course, I will greet also my team all the way from Cagayan de Oro. Okay, so my team here at the right side. And so my team with, of course, all the way from Southern Leyte. Okay, so they are here also to join us with our Success Academy. Okay, so what is this marketing plan of Atomy? As we all know, marketing plan of Atomy, this would serve as our guide when we talk about growing on our Atomy business. Okay, so what is this marketing plan? As they said, our Atomy marketing plan, based on the definition, it is a well-balanced, righteous compensation plan, shows that the company vision for success of all members. Take note on the last side of our definition. Success of all members. So, lahat tayo, we are talking here, every one of us have opportunity when it comes of success in growing or our Atomy business. Okay. Here in Atomy, we would like to emphasize also the value of sharing. As discussed a while ago by our Sharon Rose Master, Miss Lorraine, that our culture is more on sharing rather than selling the products. Okay? We share the goodness of our product. We share to others, especially those people who are in need, those people who have health issue. Okay? So, we are also the bridge to connect with them. Okay? To become, their health is, kumbaga, in good condition. Okay? So, Atomy is not about selling. It is about sharing. We are advocating the culture of sharing. Okay? So, how to become? The question is, how to become a member here in Atomy? Just simply, we get your information. And so, your TIN number or your TIN number. Okay? But, if you don't have TIN number, then we can get also your brand number. Okay? So the brand number, that is, as you can see on your birth certificate, the lower part of your birth certificate, there is what we call the brand number or the birth registration number. Okay? So kung wala tayong TIN number, then we can get that brand number for you to sign in the Atomy system as a member. Okay? So take note, must be 18 years old and above. So mayroon tayong requirements dyan. Okay. When it comes of membership, that's why our marketing plan here in Atomy, we call this righteous. Actually, not only righteous. Okay? Our marketing plan also, or our company also, is generous. As discussed a while ago, di ba? So grabe. Okay? When it comes of sharing, when it comes of helping people, as Ma'am Lorraine said, people helping people. Okay? That's how humanitarian is our company, Atomy. Okay? So, when it comes to membership, okay, here in Atomy, we have what we call no joining fee. Diba? Wala tayong annual fee. Wala tayong minimum purchases of our product. Wala tayong website fee. Wala tayong quota na every month kailangan natin bumili. But we encourage our member to buy the product. Okay? You buy when you want. So that's how generous is our company. Hindi tayo iniobliga na bumili. We buy when we want the product. We buy if you need the product. Di ba? Then, we can receive also great commission here in Atomy. As long we do our part as a member, we are using the product, we continue sharing the products to others, then we can receive commission here in Atomy. Okay, take note. For you to become an active member, ano ang requirements natin? You just have to buy one product per year or in a given year. That's how the company, kumbaga, that's how our marketing plan is very righteous. One product per year. But that is very impossible for us as an Atomy member. Okay? As we all know that our product is very effective, very high quality. Okay? With affordable price. That's why it is impossible for us na isang product lang per year yung in-order natin ng Atomy. Because halos lahat ng product, okay, as you can see, and as you can hear a while ago, that our product is very, very good. Especially health supplement, beauty care, personal care, living, and food. Okay, that is our categories of our product here in Atomy. Okay, when it comes to Atomy, okay, our product here, we have what we call PB. And what is that PB? Okay, or the point value. All our products here in Atomy, we have corresponding point values. And what is that PB? What is the purpose of PB? PB, or the point value, is the basis when it comes of receiving commission or cashback, okay, to all qualified members here in Atomy. Okay? That's why the more we use the product, the more we purchase product. Of course, the more PBs we have. And the more PBs we have, the more commission or cashback we receive here in Atomy. Kaya pinapalakpakan yan. Okay. So, take note. There is a reminder. Okay? All PB will be gone once we lose our membership here in Atomy. That's why we encourage you to use the product. Okay? Order the product and continue sharing the products to others so that you can order more products. Okay? Here in Atomy. Okay. We have to remember those two terms here in Atomy if we talk about point value. What is that? Number one, the personal PB. What is this personal PB? Personal PB is the PB earned from your personal purchases. So what is this? So every time you buy products here in Atomy, okay? So lahat ng PB na yan goes up to your personal PB, especially when you order using your membership ID here in Atomy. Okay? So that PB will goes to your personal point value. Okay? Then the second is, there is what we call the group PB or the group point value. What is this? Group point value is the PB earned from your group purchases. So, what is this? So, meaning to say, every time your member order product, okay, so that PB will goes to your, what we call, group PB. Okay? So, lahat ng member mo under your leg, either right or left, once they buy, automatically, that PB will goes to your group personal or group point value. Okay. So, I think, klaro na yan. Okay? Mayroon tayong personal PB at mayroon tayong tinatawag na group PB. Okay. Here anatomy. Okay? As a member, we classified, actually mayroon tayong classification as a member. Okay? So, we have 5 classification when it comes of member here in anatomy. And we call that dealership. And what is that 5 types when it comes of membership here in anatomy? We have what we call, number 1, there is what we call the sales rep or the sales representative. So what is this? Okay? Sales representative, you must be, okay, a minimum, you must be accumulated on your personal PB at least minimum of 10,000 PB. Okay? To 299,999. Okay? If nandyan pa yung PB mo, then you are called sales rep. So, klaro tayo dyan. Okay? But, if your PB goes up to 300,000 PB, then you are now called agent. Okay? So, agent na. But, upon continuing buying our products using your personal ID, then, when it comes of special agent, you must have a minimum of 700,000 PB on your personal PB. Okay? Then, as we grow, okay? So as we grow, kailangan natin, of course, our member here is also growing. Then when it comes of purchasing product, of course, if dumami ng members natin, at the same time, they continue buying our products, then your PB goes up also. Okay? When it comes of dealer, you must accumulate at least minimum of 1.5 million PB. Then the last type is exclusive distributor. So you must accumulate at least minimum of 2.4 million PB in your personal PB. Okay? So klaro tayo dyan. So there are 5 types or classification when it comes of membership here in Atomy. Okay. Dito sa Atomy, there are 3 ways to earn. Okay? So ano to? First is, there is what we call an education center commission. Then the second is the general commission. Then the third one is the mastership bonus. Okay? So what is this? Una tayo ng education center commission. Okay? So education center commission, the company will give 6% of center total PB is paid to the applicable center to help or cover sa operational expenses ng center. Actually, center is very important. Okay? Center plays a vital role when it comes of our Atomy business. Because the center is, dito natin ma-acquire yung continuing education on how to handle our business here in Atomy. This is also a place where we can continue educating our members. Okay? May tinatawag natin na center meeting. So other activities, okay? Dito natin kumbaga ginagawa sa mga center natin. I think here in this room we have a lot of center leader here. Okay? So the center leader plays also a very kumbaga the support, their continuing support to the members. That's why our center leader here, they deserve to give a big round of applause. Palakpakan natin yung center leader natin. Okay? So lahat ginagawa ng mga center leader para lang we accommodate all members in our center. Okay. So take note, only PBs of members who are affiliated to the center will be counted for the center total PBs. So klaro tayo dyan. Okay. Then, the second one, the second is what we call the general commission. So the general commission, so this commission, okay, basically we can get this commission to our members. Especially our members is regularly using the product. And also regularly, or they are continuing sharing to their members also. Okay? So what is this? 44% of the entire sales PB will be distributed between qualified members every week according to the rates. And also, individual must first accumulate at least 10,000 PB in order to accumulate down PB. Okay, so what is this? So actually, when it comes of general commission, mayroon tayong cut-off dito. Okay, you must remember the cut-off. Okay, accumulation period is from Wednesday to Tuesday. Then, the payout, or what we call yung bayaran natin dito, the schedule is every Tuesday of the following week. That's why, pag Tuesday, half day. Diba? Lahat ng mga Atomians, of course, happy because they receive the commission. If we are doing also our part. Diba? Okay. So here in Atomy, we have what we call binary system. So if you talk about binary system, binary meaning to say two. We must create or establish, okay, two legs. You have members on your right leg, and so with your left leg. We are responsible in growing our business by building the union of consumer to use our product here in Atomy. Okay? So, para mayroon tayong kitaan, so build your consumer. Okay? We need consumer actually. Okay? Then, encourage your consumer because sometimes we have a lot of members. But the big question is your member use the product? Because sometimes they said, marami akong member. But the question, bumibili ba? Gumagamit ba yung mga members natin? That's why, as a leader, it is also our part to continue educating our members, especially on our products. And not only on the products, and so with our company. Okay? So that's why our member is, kumbaga, they are continue buying our product and be loyal also to our products. Okay. So when it comes to binary system, there is what we call unlimited levels. So actually, here in Atomy, we can have as many member if we want. Okay? So wala tayong cut-off dito. Unlimited levels when it comes of membership here in Atomy. Then, we have also unlimited savings. Meaning to say, the more members we have, and members use or continue using the product, then the more savings we have. Okay? Because the PB, later on, that is converted into money that will be deposited to your personal bank account. Gusto nyo ba yan? Okay? So I think everyone gusto natin yan, na mayroong every week pumapasok sa bank account natin. Okay. We have also what we call global. Our network is global. Okay? So I think we are 27 branches globally, including our headquarters in Korea. Okay? Then, we have also what we call 100% benefits. So 100% benefits. Whatever PB or points flows in your downline or your group, automatically, that points, you can enjoy that points. Okay? Because that points will goes to your group point value. And later on, it will be converted into cash or money that will deposited to our bank account. Anyway, we have also accumulation, PB accumulation. The question now is, paano ba yung kitaan natin dito sa Atomy? Okay? So I want you to focus on this because this is one of our motivation. Okay? This is one that we can emphasize to all members. Paano ba yung income process natin dito sa Atomy? So, if this scenario, okay, as we said a while ago, kailangan natin ng at least minimum of 10,000 PB to our personal PB. Okay, so that all points flows or accumulate in our downline PB, automatically makukuha natin. It because kung wala tayong PB or hindi pa tayo or mayroong PB na hindi pa umaabot ng 10,000 PB, okay, hindi natin mai-enjoy yung mga points na nag-flow sa ating mga downline o sa ating mga leg. That's why making sure you have at least 10,000 PB. Isang product lang yan. Okay? So, if this is a scenario, mayroon ka ng 10,000 PB, then both your right and your left leg accumulated na ng 300,000 PB. Then, automatically, you have approximately received an 800 pesos. Okay? Gusto niyo ba yan? Yes! 800 pesos, malaki na din yan. Okay? Pwede na natin yan mabili din ng products. Or makasupport na din yan sa mga personal needs natin or sa family needs natin. Okay? So gusto nyo ba yung, kung baga, mataas pa aside from 800? Yes! If this is a scenario, you are now, or you have now 300,000 PB in your personal, okay, in your account. Okay? Then, both left and right accumulated also 300,000 PB. Okay? If this is a scenario, then you will receive approximately of 2,400 pesos. Okay? So, actually, malaki-laki na din yan. Di ba? 2,400 is, actually, ang dami-dami na din mabibili dyan. Or, ang dami ng product na pwede natin din mabibili ng 2,400. Okay. Next, if this is also a scenario, in your personal PB, mayroon ka ng 700,000. Then, your left and right, accumulated na ng 700,000 PB. Okay? Put left and right. Then, you will receive approximately 5,000 pesos which will be deposited directly to your bank account. Okay? So, next, if this is also a scenario, okay, kung palaki-palaki na or nag-grow na yung business mo, or you have now a lot of members who are continue using or buying our product. Eventually, pwede ganito yung scenario natin. Okay? If you have now 2.4 million on your personal PB, then your left and right accumulated of 50 million on that both left and right PB, then you will receive a maximum of 60,000 per day. Okay? So, Atomians, gusto nyo ba yan? Yes! Di ba? Sinong gusto na everyday makareceive ka ng 60,000? Okay? Ang laki-laki na yan. Okay? So, that's why, Atomian, continue pushing yourself. Okay? Especially when using the product and especially also promoting our products to others so that we can receive this information. Okay? Here in Atomy. Okay. Aside from general commission, okay, the third is we have what we call the mastership bonus. So mastership bonus, 20% of the entire sales PB will be distributed according to mastership level. Okay? So when it comes of mastership, there are 7 types of mastership. Okay? So what is this 7 types of mastership? Number 1 is the sales master. The second is the diamond master. The third is the Sharon Rose master. The fourth is the star master. The fifth is royal master. The sixth is the crown master. And so with the number 7 is the imperial master. So these are the 7 type of mastership in anatomy. Okay? So, when it comes of mastership, the question now is, paano yung distribution ng pie? Okay? Paano yung distribution ng 20%? Okay? To all qualified mastership. Okay? Once you achieve, okay, different level of mastership. So, kung makikita nyo dito, okay, the sales master is, kumbaga, medyo malaki yung sharing niya or yung share niya sa pie. As you can see, 10% yung marireceive or madidistribute ng mga sales master. Okay? Then, the Diamond Master is 5%, the Sharon Rose Master is 2%, the Star Master is 1.2%, the Royal Master is 1%, the Crown Master is 0.5%, and so with the Imperial Master is 0.3%. Okay? So ito yung distribution when it comes of, kumbaga, sharing ng 20%. Okay. So when it comes of commission cut-off and the mastership bonus cut-off, so of course, we are dalawang challenge na pwede natin magawa. Okay? So, twice in a month na pwede tayo mag-challenge so that we can receive this, what we call the bonus here in anatomy. So, accumulation period is from 1st to 15th day of the month. Then, yung payout will be every 22 seconds of the same month. Okay, so that's the first challenge. Then, the second challenge is from 16 to end of the month. Then, the payout will be on the 7th day of the following month. So, klaro tayo dyan when it comes of payout. Okay? So, next. As we have said a while ago, there are 7 types of mastership. The first is the sales master. Okay. So, the sales master requires your personal PB, kailangan na, okay, you must achieve or accumulate at least 700,000 PB. Okay, on your personal. Then, the group PB, you must achieve or accumulate 2.5 million PB on your left and so with your right. Once you can achieve that, okay, in the span of 15 days, then what is the incentives? The incentive is, okay, you receive 1 box of Himoim. The second is, of course, the Fame skincare set. Then, the third is the evening care set. So, ito ang marireceive natin na incentives. Then, aside from this, you receive also your commission and so with your bonus. Aside from this gift na marireceive natin. Once we achieve this sales master. Okay. The second one, or the second mastership is the Diamond Master. Diamond Master requires your personal PB, kailangan na mayroon ka ng 1.5 million PB on your personal PB. Then, kailangan may mapropromote ka na member on your right and on your left. So, ano ba to? Okay, it requires 2 sales master on your left and 2 sales master on your right. Okay? Again, na span of 15 days, kailangan natin na makukuha or ma-achieve natin to. So that you will receive this product incentives. Okay? So again, the same product, 1 box of Himoim, 1 set of Fame skincare set, and 1 box of evening care set. Then mayroon tayong additional dito na binibigay ng company natin. Okay? Additional of 1 laptop. Gusto nyo ba yan? Yes! Kailangan natin yan. Then, you will receive also a bonus so with the commission. Okay? Aside from those items. The third mastership is what we call, there is what we call the Sharon Rose Master. Okay? I think in the room we have a lot of Sharon Master here. Okay? So, Sharon Rose Master required 2.4 million PB on your personal PB or your account. Then, you must establish or create at least 2 Diamond Master both on your legs, your right and your left leg. Once you achieve this, the company will give you 80,000 cash. Okay? Aside from that cash, the company also will give you 2 travel tickets. Then, you will receive a commission and so with your bonus aside from this. Okay? More or less, I think you will receive 250 to 300,000. Okay? Na makukuha mo once you can achieve this Sharon Rose Master. Okay. The fourth one, the Star Master. So, Star Master, of course, once we reach Sharon Rose Master na mayroon tayong personal PB na 2.4, then we are qualified na from the different level of mastership pataas hanggang Imperial Master. Okay? So, Star Master requires 2 Sharon Roses, both your right and your left leg. Then, once you achieve this, the company will give you the 400,000 cash. Okay? Then aside from 400,000 cash, the 4 travel tickets. Kanina, 2 tickets lang. But this time, 4 travel tickets. Pwede na natin maisama yung mga, of course, family member natin. Okay? Then, again, you will receive bonus and commission aside from this. Okay? That's how generous is our Atomic Company. Okay. The 5th level of mastership. Okay? Establish ka lang ng 2 Star Master, both right and on your left leg. Then, the company will give you an incentives of this. The 4 travel tickets. Okay? Then, luxury car rental. Okay? Then, a monthly of 80,000 debit card. Okay? So, malaking support na din to when it comes of growing our Atomy business. Then, the inaasam-asam na 2 million pesos cash. Okay? Kaya pinapalakpakan natin yung company natin. That's how generous is our Atomy Company. Okay. The 6th level of mastership is the Crown Master. So, Crown Master, mag-establish ka lang ng 2 Royal Master between your right and your left leg. Once you achieve that, the company will give you an incentives of 4 travel tickets. This time, paid off luxury car. Okay? Then, ang ating debit card, kanina is, magkaano lang yan? 80,000. This time, it will level up to 200,000 debit card. Then, the 1 luggage of 12 million cash. Okay? Gusto nyo ba yung 12 million? Yes! Gusto natin yan. Di ba? Isang luggage yan. Okay? Then the last, there is what we call Imperial Master. Ito yung goal natin. All members of Atomy longing for this mastership. The Imperial Master. Ano lang required ng Imperial Master? You must establish 2 Crown Master between your legs. Once you can achieve that, okay, the same, okay, the company will give you 4 travel tickets, okay, that is 11 days and 10 nights. Then, this time is luxury car with driver. Okay. Mayroon ka ng driver. Okay. Then, the third one, your monthly debit card, okay, it will level up to 400,000 pesos. Okay? So, malaki-malaki na yan. Then, you have now an office with a secretary. Oh my goodness. Grabe. Grabe yung company natin. That's how generous is our company. Then, the excited part. Gusto nyo ba yung 40 million pesos cash? Diba? My goodness. Okay? So, a matter of sharing, using the product and sharing the products to others, then you will receive this kind of incentives that the company give us to all members here in Atomy. Okay? That's why, fellow Atomians, are you ready? Okay? Ready na ba tayo na ma-receive itong all incentives mentioned of our company? Okay? That's how great is our company. Okay? As our CEO said, as long we never give up in Atomy. Okay? Just continue using the product and share the products to others. Start with your relatives. Start with your co-workers and all walks of life. Pwede natin ma-share sa kanila yung products natin. Then, sooner or later, we will become successful here in Atomy. Okay? So, again, it is our opportunity that all members maging millionaires tayo dito ng Atomy. Okay? Gusto nyo ba yan? Yes. Again, thank you so much for your time, for your listening of our Atomy marketing plan. And we hope that we could see at the top. Okay? Thank you so much and God bless us all.